Variables should follow camel case, where the first letter is lowercase, and the first letter of each subsequent word is capitalized. Properties should follow Pascal case, where the first letter of each word is capitalized, similar to class names. Variable and property names should be descriptive and clearly indicate their purpose. Avoid using abbreviations for variables or properties unless they are widely recognized or standard. Names should reflect the context and role of the variable or property in the class or method. For Boolean variables and properties, use names that imply a true/false value. Avoid the practice of prefixing variables with data type names. For variables or properties representing a single object, use singular names. For collections or arrays, use plural names. Private instance variables can optionally start with an underscore to distinguish them from properties and public variables. Constants and read-only fields should be in uppercase with underscores separating words. Avoid single-letter variable names, except in short-lived variables like loop counters.